You ready to boost your mood, elevate your energy? Let's do it with some real gentle, continuous, low-impact movements. They're going to build mobility, balance, and strength as we continue this incredible journey of consistency and discipline, showing up for ourselves every day. Just a gentle twist. And just when you're ready, twist a little further. Head up high. I invite you to breathe in to one side, breathe out to the other. Begin to reach back. Keep your arm up nice and high. We're building strength with low impact movements. Keeping our arms up nice and high. You're going to feel that in the upper back and the shoulders. Breathe in, out. Bring your heel up off the ground and really twist into it. Let's wake up our spine. Start to build that inner energy that's going to carry us through the day. And one conscious breath can calm our nervous system, really help us to respond rather than react when we're in difficult, stressful situations. Okay. Begin. We're going to tap the heel and bring your arms back at 90 degrees. Kind of think of this as sort of we're signaling to the plane to come this way. We're one of the flight crew on the runway. Come on in. Just move with intention. And let's begin. Really connect our breath to the movement. Step and breathe in and out. Head up high. Now, begin to bring a little bit of a back bend in. Just feel it right down to your lower back. Engage your core so you stay centered and strong. Last one on each side. Ooh. Yes. Let's keep moving. We're coming into our warrior flow. So take a warrior 2 stance, but then just flow. Be adventuresome with this movement. There's no perfect way to do this. This is just about bringing presence and awareness into our movement. And I'm going to begin to breathe in and out. Come up onto your heel. There's a balance component as well as mobility and strength. Oh, and so much more. Let's go to the other side. Same exact movement. Just move to the other side. Breathe in and out. Really flow with the arms. Bring them up high and feel that strength you're building in the shoulders, the upper back. You got it. Couple more. Ooh, that one feels good. Okay. A gentle squat to one side and then reach up over the other way. We're going to come down with both hands, reach up the other way. Breathe in. One more on this side. Now, same movement, just other way. Reach down with both hands. Connect your breath to the movement. Feel it in the side body, building strength in the glutes, your legs. Great for mobility in our spine when we twist up high. Two more. Well done. Let's keep moving. I'm going to bring my leg across my body, and I invite you then bring your arms up real high, and then if you can, try and bring them below and under your knee. Just do what you can. Bring all your presence, all your awareness into this movement. If you stumble, just come back whenever you're ready. One more on each side. Oh, let's shake that out. Come up onto the balls of your feet, building that energy. Just continuous movement today. Oh, okay. We're going to twist. Make your arms outstretched as far as you can. And just flow here. Be dynamic. Squat down just ever so gently. Or connect to your breath. Be playful with this movement. Really building incredible mobility and presence. Oh, well done. Excellent. We're going to dance now. This is our dancing warrior. A nice childlike skip to get you going into your warrior 2. But just flow. Enjoy the movement. Meet me wherever you're at. And I'm just going to connect my breath as I breathe in and out. One more on each side. Breathe in, hold it just for an extra moment. Let's just hold it there. Oh, well done. Okay. Prayer. Step forward and back with your right foot. Forward and back. Forward lunge. Reverse lunge. Breathe in and out. In and out. Other side, same movement. This is a challenging move. Pick a spot and give all your attention to it. Don't forget to smile. Last one. Shake it out. We pick a spot. We're trying to be balanced. It really does help us to stay centered and grounded. Speaking of balance, okay, for our present moment awareness, pick a spot and simply sway from side to side, but bring your foot up off the ground. Pick your spot and just go back and forth. All your attention for 30 seconds or so on one spot, but continuing to flow with continuous movement today, but paying 100% attention to that one spot. Let's go. Oh, practice, practice, practice. Sometimes there's distractions. That's why we keep showing up. Progress over perfection. Thank you again. I will see you tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.